Hello, family. This rising, we got our student in named Troy. He's from Little Rock, Arkansas. He's 19 years old, and he was actually in the welding program before I got here, but I've been helping him for about 3 weeks now, and I just want to ask him a couple questions. How have I helped you since I've been here in these 3 weeks? Do you feel I didn't help you with your welding knowledge? And if so, tell me how. Explain to me how I didn't help you.
Yes, well, first, before you came here, the machine.
The machine issue.
Yes, the machine issue, and then because however many weeks, the other welding instructor left, and then I didn't know why. It's like
So you didn't understand why your welds wasn't turning out good.
Yes. Then but I didn't know nothing about a welding machine or nothing.
Okay, you didn't have no knowledge of the machine.
Yes. And and also technique as well, the welding technique. Cause I mostly use turn my hand stuff. But but cause you said use your body and stuff.
Yeah, so it kind of gave you a little bit more technique. Okay.
Yes.
So do you feel like that helped you, make you feel a little bit more? And the welds kind of turned out a little bit better too, didn't it?
Yep. And
So in your personal opinion, if you knew someone and you would say, hey man, they got this class at Goodwill Industries in Little Rock and they got this new instructor up there, would you tell somebody, hey man, you need to go up here and get this class if you got the opportunity, because this guy really gonna help you? You think I'd be a good guy to refer to someone?
yes.
Okay. Well, you heard what he said, fam. We at Goodwill Industries off of Scott Hamilton Drive in Little Rock, Arkansas, and we are teaching welding classes. 16-week courses. You learn flux core and stick welding in 4 positions. You get your OSHA 10. We get all of your PPE, and you get help with doing your resume for job placement. All at the Goodwill Industries, family. Hold on.